Hello, my lovely students. Today is a very special day because we have a craft. Yes. So we have some tools to bring. I want you to take a look at the tools. Okay. In this craft, you will need scissors, ruler, pen or pencil, some colored papers, glue, and colors. Okay. Today we're going to make a value and place value house. Okay, we have some cards or some numbers. Let's start with the first number 1. If number 1 wants to visit this house, okay, this house has 3 rooms. The first room called the ones, okay, the ones room. Okay, the ones room, we can write it like this, only O. Okay, and the second room is the tens room or T, and the third room is the hundreds room or H. It has more rooms like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000 and so on, but today we are going to talk about only 3 rooms. Okay, the first room is the ones room or the ones place. If number 1, okay, walk wants to enter the first room, so it will knock on the door. Okay, the ones room is empty, okay? Not like the tens room. The tens room has 1 sandwich. Can you see the sandwich? Yummy. And the hundreds room has 2 sandwiches. Okay, but the ones room is empty. Okay, so it has nothing. So if the number knock on the ones room, now its place value is ones. So the place value of 1 here is ones. But what about the value of 1? Let's open the door and see what about the value of 1. The value of 1 in the ones place, it will be the same number. It will be 1 as it is because the ones room is empty. It will not give the number anything. It will not give the number any sandwiches or anything. So the number will be the same. Okay, so now the place value of 1 is ones, and its value, if we open the door, it's the same number, it's 1. Okay, what about the second door? What about the second place value? If 1, the same number, it's walk, 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 walk and knock on the next door. Okay, now the place value of 1 is tens. What about the value? What about the value of 1 in the tens place? We know the tens place has 1 sandwich. Okay, so number 1 will go inside this door and it will eat the sandwich. Okay, it will eat 1 sandwich, so we'll add 0 next to the number. So the place value is 1. In the tens place, the value is 10. Okay, let's close this door. Okay, the last door is the hundreds room and the hundreds place. Number 1 walk and wants to knock on this door and go inside the hundreds place. The place value of 1 here is hundreds. So if the place value of 1 is hundreds, what about the value of 1 in this room? This room has 2 sandwiches, so it will eat 2 sandwiches. Okay, it will be 100. The value of 1 in the hundreds place is 100. So this is the value of 1. Okay, what about another example? Let's talk about 3. If number 3 enter the first room, number 3 here, the place value of 3 is 3 and the value of 3 is 3 also. Okay, this is the first room. What about the second room? The place value of 3 here is tens. What about the value? What about the value? What do you think? We'll open the door and we'll find the value is 30. Bravo. If 3 enter the last room, the place value of 3 here is 100. What about the value? It will be 300. Excellent. So we'll open the door here and find the value of 3 here is 300. So what about the value of 3 if we have another room here and it will be the 1,000 room? So the value of 3 in the 1,000 room will be what? 3,000, and so on. So the room of the 1,000 will have 3 sandwiches. So here is empty. Here, 1 sandwich in the 10th place or the 10th room. Here we have 2 sandwiches in the 100th room. If we have a 1,000 room, it will have 3 sandwiches. If we have a 10,000 room, it will have 4 sandwiches, and so on. Okay? This is our lesson. Nice to meet you. Bye.